Welcome to the chemistry class. Today we will learn about the topic haloalkanes and haloarenes. You already know that there are compounds known as hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the organic compounds that contains the hydrogen atom and carbon atom. These are the parent compounds from which other compounds can be derived. So one of such an important class of compound are these haloalkanes and haloarenes. These are derived from the hydrocarbons. Haloalkanes are derived from the aliphatic hydrocarbons. Haloarenes are derived from the aromatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbons such as alkane and aromatic hydrocarbons, they contain the benzene ring. That's why haloalkanes are also known as alkyl halides and the haloarenes are also known as aryl halides. Fine. So haloalkanes and haloarenes are the halogen derivatives of aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay. Let us understand more about this topic from the examples. Haloalkanes have the general formula Rx. Haloarenes have the general formula ARX. Where here in both of these, this R is an alkyl group and here this AR is an arene. Okay. These haloalkanes and haloarenes are very important in our daily life because they are used in the healthcare and medicines. There are many antibiotics that are formed of these haloalkanes and haloarenes. For example, you have chloroquine. Chloroquine is an antibiotic that is used in the treatment of malaria. Okay, so these haloalkanes and haloarenes are found widely in nature and they are very useful in our daily life because of the medicines and the antibiotics, antiseptics and all those things which we require for the treatments and all. So they are very important in our life. Now let us see how are they formed. Haloalkanes and haloarenes, they are formed by the replacement of the hydrogen atom from the alkanes and arenes respectively. This means that if you have an alkane like methane, okay, this has the chemical formula CH4 and you abstract one hydrogen atom from this and here there is an addition of the halogen atom, for example chlorine, then you will get methyl chloride. This is a haloalkane. Here this haloalkane methyl chloride will have the formula CH3Cl. So how did we get this? We had treated this methane with some mineral acid or something like HCl. HCl is a mineral acid. So what happened? This chlorine atom abstracted one of the hydrogen atom from methane and it replaced that hydrogen atom with the chlorine. Okay. Likewise, in the haloarene, we can have an example where this benzene, this has the formula C6H6, right? So, this if we treat with a mineral acid, what will happen? There will be abstraction of the hydrogen atom and a replacement by the chlorine atom. And what you will get? Chlorobenzene. What is the formula for chlorobenzene? C6H5Cl. How did this happen? This chlorine atom replaced one of the hydrogen atom present in the benzene ring, and this chlorine atom was attached, and we got this here. So we have understood today about haloalkanes and haloarenes. To learn more about the topic haloalkanes and haloarenes and more other chemistry topics, visit, like, share and subscribe